thing that separates Rock Solid Cargo from everybody else in the enclosed trailer industry here in Georgia is they do what they say they're going to do when they say they're going to do it, and they also stand behind their product after you pull out of their entrance gate. Guys, one thing that I've realized after being in the trailer business a while, and I'm not here to knock anybody's name, but a lot of you've probably experienced it before. I call it a right blinker warranty. When you take a right out of their gate and hit that blinker, they forget you ever existed. It's not like that at Rock Solid Cargo. They have a 5-year warranty, and it is a nationwide warranty, guys. Everybody else says you have to bring it back to the manufacturing plant to get anything worked on. Rock Solid doesn't do that. They go above and beyond because they understand you as a customer don't have time to come back to Douglas, Georgia if you're in Seattle, Washington to get something worked on. So they saw a need in the market and they began to meet it, and now we have a nationwide warranty that helps you get back on the road if you ever have an issue, and that's huge if you're pulling a trailer. Guys, we're going to, like I said, give you a behind the scenes look of what really goes on here. They don't even know we're coming in. We're going to surprise them, but stay tuned. We're going to show you behind the scenes. Hey guys, like I said, they don't know we're coming, but it's easier to ask for forgiveness than it is permission. So we're about to come in and show you where all the magic happens inside Rock Solid. So if you purchase a trailer from us, you will deal with Miss Jennifer. She is the beautiful lady that will create all your paperwork for you. She helps everybody get hooked up. This is called the customer pickup area. So like I said, we're giving you a behind the scenes tour. I told them it was easier to ask for forgiveness than permission. Caitlin, say hey to the camera. This is Caitlin, so when you hook up your trailer, she will be the one that's hooking you up to your vehicle. This is the famous Steve Brown. He is my sales rep that I order all my trailers from. Tell him hey, Steve.
Hey, how you guys? Good to see you. Y'all take care.
Looks like everybody else is gone. They must have heard we was coming. But guys, we're gonna walk out and show you. There is Joa. He is the brains behind the situation. We're giving them an inside tour of Rock Solid. Mr. Wade just shot by, or I'd get him on camera. But guys, we're gonna go down to the welding department and show you that place. And I believe it's the best welding department, like I said, in the trailer industry. You're gonna be able to see it live and in action, but y'all stay tuned. Well guys, this is the quality control manager here at Rock Solid. He didn't know I was going to put him on camera, so I wasn't going to ask you, but this is Cam Pierce. He's the one that checks over all your trailers after they come off the line. He walks over everything and makes sure everything's right and tight. And Cam, we just appreciate all you do, son.
Yes, sir.
All right. Trailers that are actually going to the Paul Bunyan Lumberjack Tour. These trailers will be used on tour, and Rock Solid actually put their logos on the side of them for a little bit of advertising. But be looking for these red and black trailers. They will be going on tour here shortly, and I think they've got over 1,500 locations that they go to, if I'm not mistaken. So these babies are going to be all over the United States. So guys, again, we're giving you a behind the scenes tour here at Rock Solid Cargo. This is the welding department. So after we turn in your order, they send it down here. The guys start welding on your trailer, and this is where the process first begins. How clean this welding department is. If you go to other places, it's kind of in chaos. But these guys keep it real clean and real nice. Looks like they're working on a tandem axle trailer right there, a little 6-wide. like I said, he runs everything down here at the welding shop. And how many years you been welding, man?
About 14 years now.
14 years, so he's got a little experience, guys. This ain't the first time or his first rodeo. What's the most amount of frames y'all ever put out here in a day?
56.
56 frames in a day, and that's what I told you really separates Rock Solid Cargo than every other manufacturer. They do what they say they're gonna do, when they're gonna do it, and they meet their dates. That's a huge thing in the trailer business, and they have separated themselves from everybody else. When you order a trailer, we give you a date, and 99% of the time, now we are humans, we make mistakes, but 99% of the time I can give you that date and never talk to you again. You can come pick it up and you leave satisfied. But Victor, we really appreciate y'all. We're just giving them a little behind the scenes tour. Another thing is, look, I know this guy personally. Everybody says I should build a bed up there at Rock Solid because I basically live out here. That's another thing that's going to separate Renown Cargo Trailers is we have a personal relationship with all these workers. We can walk through the plant, call people by name, they call us by name, and we just love working alongside them. They do an amazing job here. Tony and Caleb have built a tremendous business, and we're going to just keep continuing to grow with them. But Victor, we appreciate all y'all do, and we're just giving them a little behind the scenes tour, son. So guys, we're walking around out here on the yard looking at some stuff, and you'll notice up there at our logo has a crown of thorns. That is the main reason I started this business. It wasn't about selling hundreds of trailers a month. It wasn't about making a lot of money. It was really to build a platform to share the gospel. And right now, in these times that we live in, I think we all need a little good news, or a lot of good news. And the gospel is good news. I'm here to tell you that Jesus loves you. I don't care what you did last night or what you're doing right now. He came to save. He saved me. I collided with his love, and my life hasn't been the same since. He loves you right where you're at. And if y'all don't get anything else from this video, I want you to get that, because he's a good father. And I don't care what you're going through. One of my nicknames for him is faithful. He's faithful to deliver. He's faithful to provide a way of escape, and he's faithful to meet all of your needs according to his riches and glory. If you don't know him, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about Jesus, even if you're not interested in the trailer. But that's why we got in this business. So guys, this is what we call final finish. This is where the trailer comes out of the production line, and everybody goes over everything, and then it'll be sent over to Cam to do his quality control. So look at that polycore. There's Juan over there. He's the production manager, or manager in final finish. 2 lines running right now. Like I told you, we are growing, we are expanding. There's 2 more lines that are about to open up over there. So we will be capable of building 100 trailers a day if we need to. Basically 25 down each line. This is roof scaffold. If you'll notice right there, they're putting on the roofs of the enclosed cargo trailer. This is where they put on the metal or polycore, depending on what siding you're getting. Three-quarter-inch plywood walls, 3/8 on the floor. Blast that. This is the R-foil insulation on the trailer. If you're getting your trailer insulated, that's what it's going to look like behind the walls. So guys, guys, we have now stepped into the options department. This is where if your trailer's getting a finished interior, air conditioner, cabinets, bathroom, water package, concession trailer, this is where they do all the final options. They all running and scattering like some ants. They don't want to be on camera. Tootie, come here. So this is a good friend, and she is the boss around here. She gets it done. So if you're wanting your trailer finished with an interior package, this is where it'll come. We just want to say thank y'all. We're giving our customers a behind-the-scenes tour at Rock Solid. And who's your favorite dealer?
Renown Cargo.
Exactly, Renown Cargo Trailers. And who's y'all's biggest dealer?
Renown Cargo.
Renown Cargo Trailers. You heard it from the boss herself. We don't make this stuff up, but look, we love doing business with them, and they do a phenomenal job.
We're actually making a bigger building for more trailers.
So, hey, we're growing. We're glad to be. Thank you, too. So if you'll notice there inside doing cabinets on that one, it's got finished walls, finished ceiling, air conditioner, got a bunch of D-rings. I don't know what actually is going with this. This kind of looks like a fiber optics trailer. If I had to guess, this is a fiber optics trailer. Got a racking system up top. That's pretty cool. Oh man, Cummins generator, that boy right there ain't playing. That is a big generator. And guys, just to show you, this is one of our trailers, Renown Cargo Trailers. There's our CAD drawing that goes with it with our logo. So we're actually building this trailer. It's a fiber optic trailer, if I had to guess.
Tank at the bottom of it.
And we've always said at Renown Cargo Trailers, if you can dream it, we can build it. But actually, you dream it and we'll let them build it. They're the experts. This is Bubba. He's the tractor driver out here at Rock Solid. When you come to pick up your trailer, he's the man that goes and hooks up to it and makes it happen. But just to testify so they don't think I'm lying, or am I or somebody from my business out here every day that ends in Y?
Every day.
Every day that ends in Y. So guys, that's another thing. Thank you, Bubba. Appreciate all you do, man. That's another thing, like I said, that really separates us from the other 200 dealers that Rock Solid has. Is we're out here every single day on the grounds at the manufacturing plant. Our dealership's about 3 miles from here, guys, so we're constantly back and forth, and you're gonna get a more hands-on experience when you purchase a trailer from Renown Cargo. One is because we're right around the corner. We can check on things, make sure the process is running smooth and correctly, and then as soon as your trailer comes out, we can immediately send you pictures, get you a video. We want to go above and beyond to make your buying experience the best purchasing experience you've ever had. And like I said, we work with these people and do life with them on a daily basis, and we're just thankful for the opportunity that God has given us to get to work alongside such an amazing manufacturer. So guys, we look forward to earning your business. If you're in need of a cargo trailer, please give us a call. If you're in need to want to talk about Jesus, we want to make God's Son's name famous, and that's the whole reason we're in this business. But on our next video, I want y'all to stay tuned and be looking for our next videos that's coming out. We're actually going to show you the process totally complete all the way through of a trailer that's coming down the line. So you will actually see it in the welding department, then you will see it in the paint booth, and then it goes to wiring, then it goes to plywood, then it goes to walls, then it goes to ceiling, then it goes to final finish, and then if it needs special options, it goes over to the options department. But we just want to let you be able to feel, touch, and see what's really going on here at the manufacturing plant. And guys, thank you for watching our videos. We've got nearly 12,000 subscribers out there, and I just want to thank y'all for subscribing to our channel. Be sure if you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video with friends and family. Guys, thank you again for watching our videos. You can call us at Renown Cargo Trailers, 1-888-287-3954. We've also got a website. You can find us on concessiontrailer.com. We've got another website, rocksolidcargoga.com, but we're easy to find. We're all over Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all the social media platforms. Laura does an amazing job branding our company. And guys, we just want to tell you thank you for watching our videos, and we look forward to maybe earning your business real soon in the near future. Y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.